Ever wondered how to transform your Canon Eos 250d shots from flat to phenomenal? Natural light is your first and most accessible tool for flattering portraits. Look for open shade or shoot during the golden hour, the hour after sunrise or before sunset. The soft, diffused light minimizes harsh shadows and creates a warm, inviting glow. When natural light isn't enough, artificial lighting steps in your Canon 250d's built-in flash is convenient but can produce harsh, flat results instead. Consider an external flash or LED panel. For a more professional look, bounce your external flash off a ceiling or wall, or use a diffuser like a softbox. This spreads the light, making it softer and more even, reducing harsh shadows and creating a more flattering illumination. Understanding light direction is key. Frontal lighting flattens your subject, while side lighting adds depth and texture, enhancing contours. Backlighting can create a dramatic silhouette or a beautiful rim light around your subject. Don't forget reflectors. These inexpensive tools bounce light back onto your subject, filling in harsh shadows and adding a sparkle to their eyes. They're fantastic for outdoor portraits. Experiment with different light sources and positions. Pay attention to how the light interacts with your subject, and always check your camera's live view or playback to refine your lighting until you achieve that breathtaking result. Happy shooting!